Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं how you can set up your own US based bank account। पिछले 3-4 साल से हम US के कस्टमर्स के साथ, US के क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। The biggest objection that we are always getting is that you guys are from India and there is no security for our money। और हमारे साथ काफ़ी बार ऐसा भी हुआ जब हमारी पेमेंट फेलियर्स हुई just because we were using a Stripe which was connected to an Indian account। Now we have a US based company and a US based bank account, so it's going to make collecting payments very easy for us। आइए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले आप या तो वॉइस के थ्रू और Mercury Bank के थ्रू, there are two options that you can go when you are going to open a virtual bank account। So why I have chosen Mercury here is because they are also going to give you a debit card which is going to be a US based debit card, and then you can use it for your expenses and you don't have to pay any GST on your expenses। Now we went ahead with Solar Savings Alliance, that's the name we chose because we also want to sell solar in US using our own name, using our own company। So that's, I think, would be a really good option for us to go with Solar Savings Alliance। So now you are going to choose the incorporation country, you are going to use a phone number। This phone number you can easily purchase on Skype, okay, so you don't have to worry too much about it। EI number, I am going to be covering this up because it's for confidential reason। EI number is the most important thing if you are going to be registering any business in the US or also any bank account। So the biggest question is that how you are going to get this EIN number and also the certificate of incorporation, okay? So you can have your own company registered, it's very cheap। if you're already doing about $5,000 $10,000, I think you should get आपको भी अपनी खुद की बैंक अकाउंट और बिजनेस रजिस्ट्रेशन लेनी चाहिए। आप भी अपनी खुद की कंपनी डेलावेयर में रजिस्टर करा सकते हो। इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू गेट योर कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड, कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन माई ईमेल एंड आई कैन हेल्प यू अलॉन्ग विद योर रजिस्ट्रेशन जर्नी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव अलॉन्ग विद आवर वेबसाइट। सो मेक श्योर कि जो भी आप कंपनी सेटअप कर रहे हो, यू हैव योर ओन डोमेन, you have your domain, you have your emails, a phone number associated with that, and also public profile, social profile, Facebook pages, LinkedIn pages, whichever of these can help you prove that you own this company। Now we are going to submit our website here। Company type, our company type is going to be C Corporation। It doesn't matter too much, all we need to do is just get a basic certifications registration and also open our bank account। So don't worry about this too much, just get on with whatever certifications, whatever registration you can get along, you can get on। So now industry may I'm going to choose solar because that's the industry that we are working with। Company description, you can write whatever you want। Company's address is now going to be really important। So this is the address of our company and this is where all the other companies, virtual companies in Delaware, also getting registered। So you can go ahead and also get your company registered in this place as well। City, state, zip code। So now this question is also, ये वाली जो चीज़ है वो भी बहुत important होने वाली है। Where do you work? Where do you do most of your work? Because at Mercury Bank they know that your account is remote, so the chances are that you are working outside of US। So in this case you have to provide your correct detail, your correct address, जहाँ पे भी आप अभी currently रह रहे हो। Okay, now we are going to move on to the next page। It's called ownership detail। Make sure that you are the owner of the company so that you can go ahead and submit this form। I think you need at least 25% stake in the company to get this bank account done। So you can see one director KYC has already been completed। For the second director Bhavesh, KYC is still incomplete, so we might get it done anytime soon। Okay, now you will add both the shareholder and you'll just go ahead and move next। Here comes the most important part of this video, company documentation। आप certificate of formation select करोगे and you are going to upload your certification। For EIN document you don't need to submit anything। As you can see, we have auto verified your EIN, so you don't need to upload any EIN document। If you are also having an EIN number, which I think you are going to need, आपको भी EIN number के लिए document verify नहीं कराना पड़ेगा, it will auto verify। Submit the certificate of formation and also EIN number in the first page। Let's move on to next and see what activities are we going to expect on this page। So will you be sending or receiving money internationally? Yes, that's our prime purpose। what are the top 3 currencies you expect to send or receive. My top currencies are US dollars, UK pound, and Indian rupee. How much do you expect to send or receive across all currencies per month? I have selected $10,000 to $100,000. You can select your own options, 0 to 10, 100K to 1 million, और आप जहाँ पे भी हो इस current situation में. Now these are going to be follow-up questions that they are going to be asking. So the follow-up questions are, so these are the follow-up questions. Do you currently have an employer, investor, customer, supplier, or location? So you can just go ahead and do no, because it doesn't matter. If you're going to select no, I don't but plan to, then they will ask for a revenue, they will ask for an investor, and then you'll have to submit a lot of information, which is not good. If you submit yes, I think they are going to ask for a number of US employees and all these other details, which is I think not very important. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, सिर्फ no select कर सकते हो and then just get along. Now coming back to the next question, where will your first deposit comes from? So आप ऐसा करना कि please select revenue. If you go ahead and select self, you have to drop a bank statement, which is I think a little bit more hassle. So I just go ahead and do revenue. Verify your physical address. This is going to be my physical address. Submit your Aadhaar, and the last is please share any professional online profile link. So यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी Facebook की link submit करी हुई है. I created a page on Facebook on using the name of my company, and then I made myself CEO and founder of that company. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, simply I just used my Facebook profile link to submit this link, and all I have to do is review our application once the ownership detail has been confirmed. I will keep you posted, and once we get the account verified and account open, I will also update that in this video itself.
So guys, I'm back with the good news, and कुछ दिनों पहले ही हमने जो Mercury Bank में अपना सारा डिटेल सबमिट करा था, and today I have got the good news for you guys. Let me show you guys my screen, and here is the mail. Congratulations Ashish, your new account has been approved, and our Mercury Bank account has been approved. Now let me show you guys something interesting. और finally हमारा Mercury Bank account बन के ready हो चुका है. You can see यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, we just need to fund our account to get started. This is the routing number, this is the account number. So what I need to do is just send some money and this bank account will be up and running. इस बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे भेजने के लिए आप Wise यूज कर सकते हो. You have the routing number, you have account number, every single thing that you need you already have. So you can just use Wise account to send money from India to your Mercury Bank account. जैसे ही आप फंड्स भेजते हो, ये अकाउंट रेडी हो जाएगा फंड्स रिसीव करने के लिए. और अब इस अकाउंट को यूज करते हुए मैं एक US की Stripe account and a Payoneer account बनाऊंगा, and I will connect this bank account to my Stripe and my Payoneer account. So my payouts will be much faster and also it will be much secure. So इतना ही था हमारे आज के इस वीडियो में. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Don't forget to subscribe.